Have you ever nervously texted and started it with, "Sorry, I'm late"? Or maybe you joined a Zoom meeting exactly a few seconds late and immediately blurted out, "I'm so sorry for the delay." It's a highly common habit known as the sorry reflex. And here's the harsh truth. It's quietly but consistently killing your workplace authority. Let's understand the psychology of over-apologizing and learn how to command respect and project immense confidence. So why exactly do we do this? Most of us believe that by saying sorry constantly makes us look polite. We think it proves that we're an easygoing team players. But psychologically speaking, it does exactly opposite. When you apologize for something that is not a genuine error, like asking a quick question or simply taking up space, you are subconsciously signaling lower status. A study conducted at the University of Waterloo tracked how often individuals apologize in daily interactions. The researchers found something alarming. Chronic apologizers were not viewed as nicer or more empathetic. In fact, their colleagues perceived them as significantly less competent and less self-assured. We can fix this by using the gratitude shift. A fascinating series of experiments published in the Journal of Marketing explored how colleagues respond to apologies versus expressions of appreciation. They found that replacing apologies with gratitude completely rewires how people perceive your competence. Here is exactly how it works. When you say, "Sorry, I'm late," you highlight your failure. But when you say, "Thank you for your patience," you highlight their virtue. You validate their time. You just brilliantly turn the moments of weakness into shared respect. When you finally stop apologizing for your mere existence, people start listening to you differently. Your ideas suddenly carry more weight. You are non-verbally telling your colleagues, "My time is valuable and so is yours." This isn't about being arrogant. This is about replacing a defensive posture with an empowering one. Every single time you catch yourself about to type the word "sorry," ask yourself, did I actually make a critical mistake? Or am I just doing my job? If you did not break it, do not apologize for it. You belong in that room. Stop paying an emotional tax for just being present. Every single time you feel the urge to apologize, swap the automatic sorry for a confident thank you and watch how the power dynamic shifts in real time.